It's for Jason at whatever it is. Came off the top of my head. Measurements of the rooms. Alright. Let me get this done right. Can't see it, can you? 27.5. Upstairs the same. $17.4. Yeah, it's gonna moth follow, but it's just general basic idea. I still have a left of plaster, so gotta fix that. Alright. Here's the downstairs bedroom. (9'6". I might throw up this hallway. I'll find a way to keep stuff cool. Yeah. 13'9". I was gonna go off this wall to that wall because it's the same distance. Yeah, 1'2". 10'5". We got 9-foot ceilings basically. And here, it's 7 foot upstairs. Downstairs is, I'm gonna go off this point because I'm gonna raise this floor. Close enough to there. It's like 7'4". 7'4". This wall here is gonna come out. This wall is gonna come out. This wall is coming out. So from here, straight back, it's gonna be one room. Hallway, excuse me, another room. And we're probably gonna end up taking out this window too. We get the idea of measurements. Again, 13.9. 9'6". Can't go too much longer off. Yeah, let me email it. (10'5". 9-foot ceilings. 8.5-foot ceilings. 7.5-foot ceilings. And 27.5 feet. Huh. 41.7 is total distance from the front room to the back door. Nice. Alright.